So this particular John Deere 14SB Tricycler walk-behind push mower was passed down through the, I guess, the generations or whatever of our family. It was initially owned by my father. Bought it back in around 1989, so this would put this about 31 years old. They used it for quite a while, and then I moved away, my sister moved away, and then my parents moved to a new house. Where they took that with them. And then when they moved from that house to one where they didn't need it anymore, they passed it on to my sister. And then she used it for several years, and I guess they decided to get a different one, and they didn't really know what to do with this one. And so my father reached out to me and said, "Hey, your sister's going to be getting rid of the lawnmower. Would you like it?" Well, I had already bought a Ryobi battery-powered push mower that was working great, and we had just a cheap gas one as well that did what we needed it to do. But I didn't want to see this just to go to anybody, so I said, sure, I'll take it. And so we've been using it for quite a while. This sucker is a beast. It's got a steel deck on it, so it weighs a ton, but man, it cuts the grass like butter. It's a fantastic mower, and it's still in great shape. It does need a little bit of work, so that's one of the things that we're going to be working on somewhere down the road, is hopefully restoring this. If we do that and get around to it, then I'll probably put a video up of that, of how it goes. Sucker starts with one pull, first time, every time. It's a 5-speed, so it's called a Tricycler, which means it will mow regularly. It'll mulch, and it also has a side discharge. The SB stands for self-propelled is the S. The B stands for it's a blade brake clutch, as you can see there. I've pulled up a couple of technical documents on it. You can still get them. We actually still have the original owner's manual for it, which is fantastic. It really helps out when you're doing maintenance on it. The particular thing about this one, it was probably about $500 or so back in 1989. You can see here somebody here recently selling it on Let Go for $300. This one is cosmetically looks a little bit better than ours, but after we fix it up, it should be just fine. This one, it says basic self-propel mower you can get anywhere is about $269, so why not spend a little bit more and get this one? But if you look closely at this one here, our particular one that we have has the external oil filter, which makes it really easy to change the oil, and it just keeps it a heck of a lot cleaner. The engine oil keeps it running. But if you guys like the video, share, like, hit the bell down at the bottom. This is just one we threw together while we're home, staying safe from the coronavirus. So, like I say, stick around, take a look at some of our other stuff, and we'll see what we can come up with. Thanks for watching.